Hello and welcome to Tutorials Point. Today in Instagram marketing we'll discuss about how you can go about creating a business account on Instagram. Besides from the individuals, the professionals, the celebrities and the media personalities, businesses from all over the world are extensively using Instagram as a marketing people to increase visibility, to create a brand identity and brand awareness and go about creating your followers and generating business on Instagram. Today we'll see how you can go about creating a business account on Instagram. Now, how it helps in creating a business account and what are something that key points that are associated in creating a business account. It can be any business identity. It can be an organization, it could be a company, it could be a firm, it could be an enterprise. Any company anywhere in the world can easily create a Instagram business account. It could be any niche, it could be any domain. Businesses can create account and promote themselves. It is quite easy, extremely easy, wherein any business organization can create an account, a business account on Instagram, go about promoting themselves. Engage, drive traffic, convert and grow business. Instagram or any social networking platform for that matter is basically all about interacting, communicating and engaging with your users, followers or users or associates. What basically we do is we create an account on Instagram, a business account, optimize the account completely, and Instagram is all about reflecting your brand identity in terms of the images and the videos. Instagram is all about the images and the videos. What you are going to promote yourself, how you are going to promote yourself, and what is your brand identity, the brand awareness, the brand visibility. These need to be expressed through the images and the videos, and any company can easily do it by creating an account on Instagram. Now what we'll see right now is we'll take a live demo logging into Instagram, going into the Instagram page and creating a business account. Please note that Instagram is all about a social networking site designed for the mobility or mobile phones or smartphones. Instagram is to be accessed and used from the smartphones, and if you want to create a business account it has to be done through the smartphones. But what we are showing here right now is we are creating an account, a personal account on Instagram through a laptop so that we can show you, and any personal account or an individual account can be actually converted into a business account. That can be easily done, and we'll see how you go about creating a account on Instagram. We'll see a live demo right now. Hello and welcome back. Right now what we are going to do is we are going to create a business account on Instagram. Please note that Instagram is basically a smartphone, a mobile oriented social networking platform. Instagram is to be used on the smartphones and the mobile devices. Instagram is basically a platform to interact, communicate and engage with each other through the phones, a smartphone. But what Instagram also offers is you can create an account through a desktop or a PC, but for a personal account. Once you actually create a personal account on Instagram, if you want to create from a desktop or a laptop, you can always go back and convert your personal account into a business account through the smartphones. It is possible, but what we are going to right now is we are going to create a personal profile on Instagram through a laptop and a PC so that we can actually show you the demo. Here you have right now Instagram. This is the home page of Instagram, and here you have two options. Here you can either log in with your Facebook or you can go about creating an independent account. Please note that Instagram has been acquired by Facebook, and you can actually go about logging into Instagram through your Facebook account also. But right now what we are going to do is we are going to create an account on Instagram here. Let's go about with it. First and foremost, you need to give your email ID. The email ID is given. Then you need to give your name here. I am giving my name here. Then you need to actually give your username here. What is the username that you want to give? Let us say, for example, I want to give digital TP is the account name that I want to give. Then you go about giving a password here. You give a password. It says this username isn't available, please try another. This is the name that I have given, but this is not available. This username is not available. So what I can do is I can give digital M marketing. Let us try this name. This is, let us try to sign up. This username is not available. I go back to my this name 07. This is available. It is logging in. Right now we have used a different name so that actually you can logging in. Right now we have logged into Instagram. This is the account that we have got, and now these are basically suggested users for you whom you can follow. These are some of the names that are available for me based on my account. Now here you have add a profile, then you can actually welcome few accounts to see your photos and all. This is right now we have created an account. Now here on the right side you will see three options here. This is basically your profile account. You click on this one, it will show your profile. Edit your profile. You can go about editing your profile. You have 0 posts, 0 followers, 0 following because you have just created an account. If you click on this option, change password, all this information is available here, and you can always go check the other options that are available. Recent activity, there is nothing here. Then you can click on this option and see the people who are actually available. Discover the people. These are the people that it is suggesting me that I can actually go about adding them to my profile. These are the various options that are available for me. And once you create an account on Instagram, you through a PC or a laptop, make sure that you need to actually download this Instagram app on your smartphone and start accessing your Instagram account, post information, follow people, interact, communicate and engage with each other. This is precisely how you go about creating an account on Instagram. Hello and welcome back. What we have seen just now is creating a account on Instagram, and this account can be a business account, it could be a personal account. If you are creating a personal account, that personal account and individual account can be easily converted into a business account. It is possible through Instagram. And some of the best practices that you can think of implementing as far as your business account on Instagram is concerned: optimize the business page completely, comprehensively. It is extremely important that once you create an account, that is one part. The second part and the most important crucial part is optimizing your business page on Instagram in terms of the name of the company, in terms of the brand name, in terms of the description of your product or services, in terms of giving a URL of your company or the organization. Optimize your business page first and foremost before you actually go about interacting and engaging with your followers. Business name as the account name, extremely important that your business name should be your account name, that is the username of your business account in instagram.com/your business name, and that should be your business name. In terms of you are creating a particular account with the name of your product, if you want to promote a product, that product name can be your username. Research and identify potential customers. There are hundreds of thousands of people out there, millions of people out there on Instagram. You need to actually identify who could be your targeted audience. You need to identify who could be your potential customers and follow only those people, and be careful and make sure you do a lot of research before identifying your potential customers and following them. Provide landing page link into the post. The post that you put up in terms of the videos and in terms of the images have a link to your landing page or the website. That link will actually facilitate the followers to click on that link and come to your landing page or a business page or a particular website name. Extremely important that you give your links in the post. Listen and convert. Social media, including Instagram, is all about listening to the people, understanding the people, listening and understanding and identifying what basically are their requirements. Unless and until you listen to the users, the followers, you will not be able to provide the right kind of service or a solution or a product to the followers. Extremely important, you listen to them, understand their requirements, then offer a customized solution, provide links. Users will click on the link, they'll come to your website or a landing page, and they will be engaging with you. So listening is the first and foremost point before you actually go about converting the potential customers, the leads, into your customers. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is what is Instagram business account, for whom it can be created, and we have seen how a business account can be created on Instagram, and we have also seen some of the best practices that you can think of implementing for your business account on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.